Hello everyone. So this video is going to be the first in a series of videos where we're going to be doing a Python project. So this project is going to be a to-do list, but in that to-do list we're going to have tasks that we're going to be putting in a database, and we're going to be viewing this to-do list in a web application. So we're going to need PostgreSQL for the database, and we're going to be using Python to code all of it. So let's get started by talking about what we need. So we're going to be needing Python, of course, to code it, and Flask is going to be our web framework, which is going to be a third-party module that we're going to have to install, and we need to install PostgreSQL as our database, and we're going to be using Git as our file manager, and instead of using PyCharm, we're going to be using Visual Studio Code as our IDE. And let's talk about our database real quick. So our database is going to be PostgreSQL, like I said before, and I'm going to be showing you how to create a database, and in that database create a table, and in that table we're going to be creating columns, and we're going to be using a primary key and unique keys. And we're also going to be creating stored procedures, which are like functions but for databases. And now let's talk about our Python project structure. So this is going to be like main.py, and we're going to have a folder structure, and we're going to be installing third-party modules such as Flask for our web framework, and we're also going to be using a third-party module to connect to the database. And now we're going to be using Git, which is going to be our file manager. So I'm going to be showing you how to use Git and also what is Git, and I'm going to be telling you the difference between Git and GitHub, and we're going to be storing this whole Python project in GitHub, and I'm going to be pushing it to GitHub so that you guys can see it, because GitHub is basically where we push all the projects so that other people can view or edit them. And then we're going to be building and deploying the project. So like I said before, we're going to have to build it, and then I'm going to push it to GitHub, and we're also going to be testing it. And that's pretty much it. So this is going to be a project that I'm going to be doing this week. So I'll be uploading a new video almost every day, and I'm going to be doing one slide per day. And that's pretty much it for this video, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye!